Are you suffering because something wrong happened to you? Let us do the right thing for you. Our only compensation is a percentage of what we win for you. We are Habas Law. Call us at 1-800-INJURE, HABBAS law.com.
Football season is here. The new Odyssey app lets you stay connected to your NFL team, your station, your shows. Follow your favorite stations and come back again and again. Get real-time updates on everything you care about. Miss your show? Jump back to their awesome rewind feature. The Odyssey app is NFL football. Live and on demand. Wherever you are, whenever you want. And did we mention it's all free? Download the Odyssey app today.
KCBS News Time, 11:43. In a high-stakes race for a San Mateo City Council seat, a local official is facing accusations that he stole a rival's election signs. Could it all be just a big misunderstanding? KCBS's Keith Manconi reports.
A DashCam video taken last week appears to show City Planning Commissioner Adam Nugent walking across the street with a number of campaign signs for candidate Robert Newsom in hand. Newsom supporters have been swift to condemn the act as a case of election interference.
I think he got caught stealing signs in broad daylight as a kid.
Michael Weinhauer with the Newsom campaign. Nugent, though, is denying wrongdoing, saying in a statement that he did pick up 2 signs, but that he did so because they were inappropriately placed in a Caltrans right-of-way, and that he regularly picks up trash around town. Weinhauer isn't buying that explanation.
It wasn't his job to do it. And had they been illegally placed, they've been there for weeks. So for Commissioner Nugent to suddenly, come upon this and decide that that was his job to do, I find highly, highly suspect.
This isn't the first sign-stealing accusation to roil a Bay Area race this election cycle. Keith Manconi, KCBS.
Golden State Warriors making some moves. We'll have sports in just over a minute.
Imagine a world with endless possibilities. I'm talking endless savings and endless hot showers. Yeah, you heard me right. Endless hot showers. With Navient, that dream is now a reality. Navient tankless water heaters deliver a continuous flow of hot water for as long as you need it. No waiting for a tank to reheat more water, wasting time and energy. The compact design saves you space and money in comparison to traditional tank water heaters. It's time to make the switch and make your hot water dreams come true. Visit tanklessmadesimple.com.
Do you struggle with occasional nerve aches in your hands or feet? Try Nervive Nerve Relief. Nervive contains B-complex vitamins and alpha-lipoic acid to relieve nerve aches, weakness, and discomfort. Learn more at nervivehealth.com.
Aw, you didn't have to go so all out for my birthday.
Yes, we did. Because birthdays are about showing your friends how much you care for them and how grateful you are for them. It's Jamie from Progressive. No, this is a great time. Progressive protects you 24/7. Oh, I'm sorry that happened. Jamie, can you hold on 1 second? I gotta take this call. But remember, birthdays are about togetherness.
Contact us 24/7 on the phone, online, or on the mobile app. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates covered subject to policy terms.
Coming up on KCBS, this is Matt Bigler with some alternatives to candy for a healthier Halloween. KCBS News Time, 11:45. We go now to the KCBS Sports Desk and Ted Ramey.
We start with news on the Warriors. According to sources being cited and reported upon by The Athletic and ESPN, the Warriors are picking up the 4th-year option for center James Wiseman for $12.1 million, and the 3rd-year options for forward Jonathan Kuminga at $6 million, and guard Moses Moody at $3.9 million. This is all part of the Warriors' plan to develop their younger and more cost-friendly players as they invest big money into multiple stars and try to extend their championship window. The Warriors have been up and down to start the year. 3 wins, 4 losses so far. After yesterday's loss to the Pistons, Steph Curry talked about what he needed to see from his team.
It's the communication, understanding what we're trying to do in terms of making teams uncomfortable. So we got to get, more aggressive. I think the first one to strike instead of reacting to what everybody's doing.
That is Curry speaking at yesterday's post-game presser. The Warriors will look to bounce back tomorrow afternoon at 4:30 in Miami. Over to baseball, no World Series Game 3 today, postponed due to rain. Game 3 will now happen Tuesday at 5:03 in the afternoon. 49ers made a roster move today, releasing wide receiver Willie Snead IV. This after he was promoted from the practice squad on Saturday and played in Sunday's win against the Rams. At the sports desk, Ted Ramey, KCBS.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety. Big Lou will find a term life policy for you even if you have type 2 diabetes or overweight or have high blood pressure. Term providers help thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance. To buy $1 million of affordable term life for you, all you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. Lou will make sure the scales are tipped in your favor. Call 800-777-1979. Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember, Big Lou's like you. He's on meds too. Call 800-777-1979. 800-777-1979.
This is Chris, Jack, and Audrey Dolan of the Dolan Law Firm.
Hey, everybody. Hey, Dad. What makes you think that you can say you're the best personal injury law firm?
Well, Audrey, the Dolan Law Firm has been designated the best personal injury law firm in San Francisco by the Examiner and the Weekly, amongst the best personal injury law firms in the nation by U.S. News and World Report, and I was chosen as one of the top personal injury lawyers in all of California by the Daily Journal. I can say confidently, the Dolan Law Firm, we're the best lawyers we hope you'll never need. DolanLawFirm.com.
We are just days away from the midterms, and there's no doubt the issues in our local elections have far-reaching implications for the Bay Area. We're breaking those issues down on The Home Stretch, Odyssey's new original podcast.
They need to tell the truth, regardless of how difficult that truth might be for their political party. They need to tell the truth.
I'm KCBS political reporter Doug Sovereign. Subscribe to The Home Stretch for a 15-minute download on the most pressing issues on this year's ballot. When you're talking politics, it's always kind of the battleground. KCBS delivers all news all the time on the Odyssey app. Listen to The Home Stretch on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Carolyn Burns is keeping an eye on the roads for us this Monday night. She has our latest look at them right now.
And we head off to San Francisco on the Central Freeway. I think we've just about pinpointed exactly where this is. It's on southbound 101. Looks like it's just after the split to eastbound 80 on that Utah Street overpass. It is a two-car crash. One of those cars is blocking the second lane from the left. They have asked for an ambulance to arrive on the scene there. So right now we are seeing a bit of delay in that area, especially if you're trying to continue on to southbound 101. Your next traffic update is at 11:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Rain should start up sometime after midnight. We're looking at showers Tuesday, cool and a bit breezy, especially at the coast. Highs upper 50s to low 60s. The rest of the week will be sunny inland with some cloudiness toward the coast. Highs ranging mostly from the upper 50s at the coast to the low to mid 60s inland. Next weekend we'll see highs low to mid 60s with a slight chance of rain on Saturday. Right now in San Francisco and Walnut Creek, it's 55 degrees. In Burlingame, 57 degrees. Sunnyvale, 54 degrees. In St. Helena, it is 46 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. Dixie Clay is at the KCBS editor's desk tonight. KCBS News Time is 11:51. Did the kids go trick-or-treating tonight? The concern these days probably shouldn't be over rainbow fentanyl. That's proven to not be a concern, or what was it? It was always razor blades and apples or things like that. No, the real concern, reports KCBS's Matt Bigler, may be about all the sugar in that candy. They're here. Trick-or-treaters expecting their candy.
Kit Kat, which is you don't see around too much. Three Musketeers and Baby Ruth and Butterfingers.
I asked Carolyn Powell in Walnut Creek if she's considering passing out healthier treats.
I would like to, but I know they would just give me that disappointed look.
On Halloween, it's estimated children in the U.S. consume 27 times the recommended amount of sugar. Now, one day isn't going to cause any irreparable damage, but candy can be habit-forming. 1 in 3 adults in the U.S. is already diabetic or pre-diabetic. East Bay nutritionist Yvette Lopez